Guys, do you want to make money online by simple watching videos? Yes, it is possible. You can earn money online, you can make money online by just watching simple videos. And the most beautiful part here is that you do not need to watch full videos at all by yourself. The trick is that you just have to open your videos in your mobile phone or laptop and just leave it and do your work whatever you do. But still this strategy is gonna work and you gonna make some decent money. So to know all about the strategy and the trick what to do for this method, and guys, make sure to subscribe my channel and I will send you notification whenever I upload new videos on making money online. And now being said that, let's jump into our video. So guys, here you can see it is said that complete offers get a reward. We reward our members with instant cash and free gift cards for completing simple tasks, watching videos and answering surveys. Yes guys, you can complete your simple tasks, and the main focus here in this video hour is watching videos, and you can also follow other methods and do other tasks, answering simple surveys to have additional money and additional rewards. So guys, here make sure you complete the offer and then only you get paid. And the method to get here paid is that you get here simple rewards. For example, you can see here 5 minutes plus 23 points, 5 minutes plus 50 points, 5 minutes plus 7 points, and 5 minutes plus 202 points. And this is how you get here paid. And guys, you can see here reward your points for instant cash rewards for free or free gift cards from your favorite brand and retailers. You can redeem your reward through PayPal, Amazon, and many more. You can see here different options are available for you. And guys, here the most beautiful part is that you can invite your friends or money, and here it is said that share your unique referral link with your friends, family, and followers. You will earn 10% of their earnings for life. Guys, I will give the link of this website down below. From there you can check to this website, and guys, at the end of this video I will give you the official website of this. And guys, here to get started to earn money online, the first step is that we need to sign up, and for that we need to click here in sign up button. And guys, here when you click on the sign up button, this page is gonna open. Here you can see create account. Guys, here to create account you need to have your email address here, and then username and password. And then here you will be asked your mobile number for confirmation, and then you need to click on these two ticks and then click on sign up. And guys, now you can see here the official page of this website opens. This is the dashboard here. And friends, now here you need to click on the earn, and here you can see different options are available for us. Here it is offer walls, daily surveys, videos, apps, promo codes. And now in this video we are gonna click on videos, since we are here to earn money online by watching videos. And guys, here you can see videos, it is opened, and here are two right now here are two options available, and whichever you like you can click there to watch the video. And guys, here you can see different opportunities are available for us. It is said that here to watch this video we will earn 0.7, and to watch this video 0.7, and similarly to watch this video we'll earn 3.5. And here you can see different options, different additional opportunities are available. For example, let's say I click this, and guys, here you can see offer requirements, and here you can see if I want to click here 0.7, and then guys, you can see here as now this video is being loaded. To open this video we'll click. So here guys, as this video opens, we need to click here to play the video, and then after watching the video, look here guys, the video is being opened, and you need to guys, here you need to watch this video to the end of this video, and then only you are gonna earn some reward. And guys, after you watch this video to the end, you need to click here on this rewards to collect the reward. And guys, this is how you earn money watching videos and the rewards. And guys, after clicking on the reward, your reward is gonna be collected, and then you need to come here in this website, and you need to come here in this official page of this website, and then you need to click on redeem. And guys, your accumulated reward is gonna be on this, clicking on the redeem, and then these two options here are available for us. You can see here guys, PayPal, it is said that from 125 PTS, and from Amazon.co, and guys, here to redeem from the Amazon from 30 PTS. And guys, the second website is this, and I will be giving you the link of the website in my description box, and also I'm gonna be revealing the website at the end of this video. And guys, here you can see on free gift cards and cash. And guys, you can see here it is said that we have paid our members 98,634,305 in cash. So guys, to get started, here you can simply click on this get started button, or simply you can click here guys to the top of this website. You can see here here is the join button in the blue color, and you can click here to join. And friends, after clicking there, this window is gonna be opened. You can see here you can join with Facebook or join with email. You can enter here your email and then click on create account. Guys, here after entering all the details, it is asked there, and you will be here in this page. And then here you can see you have to click on next, and then here too you need to click on next, and then it is started. So guys, here you can see this is the page. This is the official front page of this website. Here you can see profile questions, answer 18 questions honestly for unique earning opportunities. You can see here by simple answering your profile questions, you can earn up to 100 points. Isn't it cool? And guys, you can see here the second option is verify your email, and here also you can verify your email and earn up to 50 points. Upload your profile image up to 25 points, and similarly completing this opportunity, you can earn 25 points. And guys, what is the most important part of this website is that you gonna earn money, you gonna make money online by simple referring your friends. And guys, you can see here on the left bar of this front page, you can see here get started, popular partners, answer surveys. You can also earn additional money by answering surveys, daily goals, play games, refer friends. You can see here guys, playing games also you can earn money from this website or following this trick. Isn't it cool? So guys, this is how you make money online from this website. And now I'm gonna reveal the first website about which I was talking. It is Earnably, and you can see here this is the official website of this. And guys, the second website about which I was talking it is called irazo.com, irazoo.com. And guys, I request you to comment your country name in the comment box so that I can make video for your particular country of yours, and then you can also earn some free cash money. Guys, in this channel I upload daily videos on making money online, the best strategies, the best tips and the tricks. Following that, you can make money online from your home by just sitting at your home using your mobile phone or laptop. So guys, if you want that all the strategies and the methods to you, so guys, hit the red subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so that I can notify you whenever I upload new videos and you don't miss anything. Till then, goodbye.